back to Girly Creations. It's me again, and today I will be showing you guys my squishy vending machine, and I'll just be giving you guys a tour. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So this is a squishy I'm using to give you guys like a little, to show you guys. So it's the one that will be falling out of the vending machine. I just need to fix the vending machine parts. So you guys can watch me do that. So I am going to be uploading a video on my channel. I don't know when, but I think I'm going to be uploading a video of how to make one. So yeah. And now, so I'm just going to show you. I did take the back, and it says here, squishy vending machine, and then 25 cents of fries. So I have my 25 cents here. It's Canadian, so I'm from Canada. And here is the hole where you find the fries. And then this is where your coins will end up falling. So I accidentally kind of ruined it, but lighting is actually kind of bad in here, but it's also kind of good. I don't know. Yeah. So I'll put that there. Whoops. It's kind of hard to get it ready. But oh gosh. Good enough. And then you put your little pop in there. And you just have your squishy there. So put your coin in. Pull that. Whoops, I did that wrong. Pull that. Pull that. And you have your prize. The inside is really, whoops. The inside is really bad looking, as well as the back. Here's the flapper. Yeah, and then I'll show you one more time. It did take me a while to accomplish this. It took me about 2 to 3 hours. 1, 2, or 3. I think about 2 hours. It isn't easy making it, but I don't know. My brother did help me. DaSourOrange, also known as the sandwich guy. Go subscribe. And I'm gonna put this squishy back so you guys can see one more demonstration. You pull that out. You pull this out, and then you open it flat, and your prize is there. And also, oopsies, my coin did kind of fall off when I was taking it out, but your coin will be in its little placement thing. I have seen people use Play-Doh cans for where your coin section is. You can use Play-Doh cans. I don't. I just had that container near me, so I just used that. But yeah, and most people put paper or something there. I'm not, because it's better to have the flap out and stuff, you know. But like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and bye. Have